In today's smartphone world, durability is no longer a luxury, it is survival. Cracked screens, dead batteries, and water damage are far too common, and performance means nothing if your phone cannot handle extreme conditions. In 2025, rugged phones go far beyond toughness. They now pack flagship-level performance, massive batteries that last for days, night vision cameras, and even wild extras like built-in projectors. In this video, we are showcasing the best rugged phones of the year, unbreakable, waterproof, and battle-tested for real-world durability, drop resistance, and battery life. Stick around until the end, because each model hides a feature you will not believe, and one of them might just be the ultimate rugged phone of 2025. All product links with updated prices and full details are waiting for you in the description. doogee Fire 7. doogee Fire 7 is a rugged 5G smartphone built to survive extreme conditions while delivering modern performance and smart features. At just $250, it proves you do not need to overspend to get durability, long-lasting battery life, and smooth, everyday usability. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor and running on Android 15, this phone brings lag-free multitasking, gaming, and streaming with the efficiency to keep power consumption low. Android 15 adds smarter interactions, deep optimization, and enhanced privacy tools, while 5G connectivity ensures stable speeds even in demanding environments. The battery is where Fire 7 makes a big statement. It carries a 13,000 mAh cell designed for extended outdoor use, emergencies, or long workdays. With 18-watt fast charging, you can refuel quickly, and the reverse charging function lets you power accessories like earbuds, watches, or even other phones through OTG. For rugged protection, Fire 7 is certified with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H durability, ensuring it withstands water, dust, shocks, and harsh outdoor conditions. It features 16 GB of RAM with 4 GB physical plus up to 12 GB extended, and 256 GB of storage that's expandable to 2 TB with a micro SD card, allowing you to run multiple apps at once, store offline maps, photos, and videos, and still have plenty of space left. The camera system is versatile, with a 64-megapixel AI main lens, a 2-megapixel macro sensor, and a 16-megapixel front camera. On the front, the 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS display delivers wide viewing angles and vivid colors. Combined with a 90 Hz refresh rate, it makes scrolling, browsing, and app switching feel smooth and responsive. Extra features pack a serious punch with dual-band Wi-Fi for faster connections, triple-slot flexibility for 2 SIM cards and 1 TF card, plus modern essentials like NFC face recognition and lightning-fast fingerprint unlocking. Ulefone Armor X16. Ulefone Armor X16 is a rugged smartphone designed for people who want serious durability, long-lasting power, and modern features at a budget price. At only $180, it delivers rugged protection, a massive battery, and surprisingly strong performance for the money. This phone carries a huge 10,360 mAh battery, the largest in the Armor X series. That translates to 555 hours of standby, 56 hours of calls, 42 hours of music playback, and 13 hours of video on a single charge. With 33-watt fast charging, you are back up quickly, and the endurance makes it ideal for outdoor trips, long shifts, or emergency use. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G91 processor with octa-core efficiency and the Mali G52MC2 graphics unit, it runs smoothly at up to 2 GHz. Paired with 12 GB of RAM, 6 GB base plus 6 GB dynamic, and 128 GB of storage expandable up to 2 TB, it runs apps, games, and multitasking with ease. Powered by Android 15, the system adds theft detection, private space for sensitive files, and smarter multitasking tools like app pairing. For ultimate rugged protection, the Armor X16 is certified with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H, meaning it laughs off water jets, full submersion, dust, and even brutal drops. And with a built-in 133 lumen flashlight featuring adjustable brightness, It doubles as your survival tool when the lights go out. The camera system is versatile, led by a 48-megapixel main lens with an OV48B sensor, a 20-megapixel Sony infrared night vision camera with Ulefone's Night Elf 2 algorithm for clear shots in complete darkness, a 2-megapixel macro lens for close-ups, and a 16-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. On the front, the 6.56-inch HD Plus display runs at 720 by 1612 resolution, a 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 910 nits brightness, making it easy to read even in bright sunlight. Streaming is supported with Widevine L1 certification, so you get full-resolution playback on platforms like Amazon Prime Video. And the extra features take versatility to the next level: dual SIM 4G global support, a triple card slot, custom key, classic 3.5mm jack, underwater camera mode, infrared blaster, NFC, both fingerprint and face unlock, Bluetooth 5.2, headset-free FM radio, plus full navigation with GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, and even QZSS. Oukitel WP210. Oukitel WP210 is a rugged 5G smartphone that manages to feel premium despite its tough build, combining sleek design, solid grip, and powerhouse performance. At $430, it delivers durability and flagship-level specs for professionals, travelers, and outdoor adventurers alike. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 octa-core processor clocked at up to 3.1 GHz, this phone delivers seamless performance for multitasking, gaming, and demanding workloads without breaking a sweat, paired with 12 GB of physical RAM plus 24 GB of virtual expansion for a total of 36 GB, along with 512 GB of storage expandable up to 2 TB. It ensures speed, space, and smooth performance across the board. Running on Android 15, the WP210 brings enhanced privacy controls, productivity upgrades, and a secure, customizable experience. For rugged protection, the WP210 is certified with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H durability. It withstands dust, dirt, drops, and water immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. The aluminum alloy frame adds strength without bulk, keeping the phone just 311 grams and 13.7 millimeters thick, making it portable yet durable. The 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 2400 by 1080 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate delivers vivid visuals, smooth scrolling, and fluid animations, whether you are working on blueprints, presenting to clients, or streaming after hours. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, the display is bright, durable, and reliable in sunlight or on the job site. The camera system is just as versatile. A 108-megapixel main sensor captures sharp photos and 4K videos, a 2-megapixel macro lens handles close-ups, and a 0.3-megapixel depth sensor enhances portraits. On the front, a 32-megapixel camera delivers clean selfies and video calls, perfect for capturing progress on work sites or sharing outdoor adventures. WP210 carries an 8,800 mAh battery, delivering up to 52 hours of talk time. With 45-watt fast charging, you get back to full power quickly, and with 10-watt reverse charging, you can even share power with teammates or other devices in emergencies. Extra features seal the deal. You get an under-screen fingerprint sensor, NFC for contactless payments, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, dual SIM support, a gyroscope and compass, and full GPS navigation. With its rugged build and advanced connectivity, this phone is ready for both demanding job sites and outdoor expeditions. Blackview Explore 2. Blackview Explore 2 is a ruggedized 5G smartphone designed to push the limits of durability, performance, and endurance. At $650, it stands at the top of the rugged category, offering flagship power with industrial toughness. The centerpiece is its 6.7 3-inch 3.2K AMOLED display with a 1440 by 3200 resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and an incredible 2600 nits peak brightness. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, this panel delivers ultra-sharp detail and vibrant color even in direct sunlight, whether you are gaming, working in the field, or streaming on the go. Under the hood, it runs the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 processor, built on a 4nm process with clock speeds up to 3.35 GHz. Paired with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB, it delivers lightning-fast multitasking, quicker app launches, and next-level efficiency. Battery power is on another level. The Explore 2 carries a massive 20,000 mAh battery capable of days of real-world use. It supports 120-watt hyper-fast charging, bringing the phone back to life in a fraction of the usual time, plus 10-watt reverse charging to keep your accessories and other devices powered on the move. On the back, a 50-megapixel Samsung GN9 sensor with optical image stabilization ensures sharp, stable photos and video. It is paired with a 20-megapixel Sony night vision camera for low-light capture, and on the front, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN1 sensor delivers selfies and video calls with detail and clarity. This rugged build is fully certified with IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H durability, protecting it against water, dust, drops, and extreme environments. It also includes a 467 lumen built-in camping light with adjustable brightness and SOS modes, replacing the need to carry an extra flashlight outdoors. And that wraps up our roundup of the best rugged phones of 2025. Devices that prove you do not have to sacrifice power for protection. From unbreakable frames to waterproof builds and batteries that just keep going, these phones are built for real life, not just the showroom. Now it is your turn. Which one of these rugged beasts would you trust to survive your daily grind or your next big adventure? Drop your pick in the comments below, smash that like button, and subscribe for more real-world tech reviews. Do not forget to check the description for the latest prices and full product links. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.